Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey my lovelies, hope you're well and safe. Welcome back to my channel. So today, if you guys haven't already guessed by the title, we're going to be doing a hair review. And this one's going to be exciting because it's hair. And I've been genuinely excited to try this product in so long. Excuse my messy hair right now. It's absolutely like bushy and wavy, but we're going to sort that out. So why not do a review video? I haven't ever waved my hair, but I'm obsessed with mermaid waves. So I got myself one and I thought I'll test it out, let you guys know if it's worth the hype. I have got it unplugged already, but this is how it looks, and it's got 3 barrels. I haven't really looked at what's inside. It did come with a couple things. So obviously it comes with a handle. Oh, it comes with a storage bag, which is great because all my straighteners and curling irons are just laying about. So you get a bag, and I guess this is like the thing you rest it on, which is also great because the amount of things I usually do my hair on my bed, so I end up burning the bed sheet. So this is actually great. It comes with 3 buttons, and there's a on button, and then there's like 2 buttons where you can increase or decrease the freaking plug ain't even on. So as I was saying, yeah, it comes with 3 buttons, on and off button, and you can increase or decrease the temperature. So I'm gonna put it on 190, let that heat up. We're gonna focus on this first part of my hair. Alright, so I've tied up the rest of my hair, so it's out of the way. I look absolutely ridiculous, but we're going to be focusing on this part of the hair. So for that reason, I'm going to take out a section of my hair. I've already brushed my hair out, so it's hot. And I guess this is the test. Now, I'm not sure how long you're meant to hold it on for. It would be clever reading the handle, but I guess it's just like 10 seconds, depending on how defined you want the hair curl. Now I want them really defined, so I'm going to start from the top of my hair, and I'm going to hold it for about 10 seconds. Let's just see how much how defined the curl is, and then we can work our way. Oh god, what is this weird line? That's so weird. Oh god. But we're gonna do the whole head, see how it looks. Alright, I'm not a fan of the line at the top of my head, but I mean, it's pretty hot and it gets quite hot quickly, which I guess is a plus. By the way guys, I have got a heat protector on. It's the L'Oreal oil. I'll enter a picture on the screen so you guys know which one I'm on about. I usually just use that when I'm doing my hair, and that's the first one. I like it. It's doing what it's doing. I don't want to leave it on for longer. I'm not quite sure about this awkward line, but maybe once I've done all, you know, my whole head, it should fall in place. So moving on to our second strand. So I'm just going to repeat. Oops. And I guess the key here is not to press too tight, I guess. Or you don't need to put no pressure because the actual barrel is applying the pressure for you, which is kind of a relief because sometimes with curlers and straighteners, you really have to press it down, and I don't like that. So I guess it's a plus with this. Also guys, I do need to tone my hair again. My hair is kind of going brassy, but that's because I've run out of my purple shampoo. So I'm going to order more. And I'm just wondering if you guys want to update it, or I haven't done a hair care routine anyway. But if you guys want a hair care routine video, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will get that done for you. Because I feel like a lot of you guys ask me how I maintain my hair, so why not? Yeah guys, oh god, that's a bit curly from the bottom, but that's no biggie. Gone a bit too curly from the bottom. Maybe that's because the hair is kind of less at the bottom. And I think it's quite fast as well, because I can get my whole head done within 20 minutes. But let's see. Guys, I hate having my hair tucked away because it really emphasizes my fat cheeks, and yeah, I'm not a fan of my fat cheeks, so just pretend like my cheeks are not there and like you can see my cheekbone even though you guys can't. So guys, while I finish off the rest of my hair, I'm gonna actually fast forward it for you guys because it's a bit boring watching me go through every strand of my hair, so I am gonna fast forward. But I do want to keep you guys on the whole process. You guys can see how long it takes to actually do your whole head. I'm just going to quickly pause so I can show you guys the difference in my hair. This is my wave side and this is my normal natural hair side. But I'm just going to quickly finish off my whole head. Thought I'd show you guys and compare. So this is the final result, guys, and I'm actually obsessed. I feel like this is going to be my new favorite look. Like, I'm not going to stop wearing this hairstyle. Look how stunning. I feel like it's giving me Molly May vibes. Every time I think of mermaid waves, I think of Molly May, and I'm guessing everybody else probably does as well. I feel like it should be called Molly May waves. Usually I don't like my hair flat down, but this is a serve. I'm actually obsessed with this. I didn't think I would actually like it as much, but yeah, I can't wait to wear this hairstyle. Like, I'm probably going to be wearing this hairstyle every day. I feel like you could pull this off in so many ways, in terms of like high ponytails, even just like a normal ponytail. I'm not quite sure about the line. I guess it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, I would prefer it not to be there, but I guess you could try and go near your scalp. I just wouldn't want to risk burning my hair. I mean, it's nothing too noticeable. It just looks cute. So, what do you guys think? Because I think my hair looks absolutely stunning. Like, it's really easy. It took me about 20 minutes. Get it. I think it's worth the money. It's really fast. I feel like the brows are huge, so if you've got thick long hair, you won't be spending too much time. And I feel like hair just makes such a difference to an outfit. I feel like the hair is definitely a great hairstyle, and I don't know what else to say, guys. I actually like it. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to know my hair care routine, because I know a lot of you guys actually ask me all the time, you know, what's your hair care routine, what do you use it to keep it shiny, how do you maintain the color and stuff. So if you do want to know all that stuff, let me know in the comments and we will get that sorted for you. So give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys on my next one.